Hello children, welcome back. So in this video we are going to be learning the book bag exercises and the question and answers for the first lesson Edga. Take the correct answer. First one, Hamid thought that his grandma would be blessed if he bought dash. We have already seen in the lesson Hamid was eagerly waiting to buy something for his grandma, isn't it? Yes, what was the thing? A pair of tongs. Second one, Hamid's heart sank because the price of the tongs was dash for him. So he was sad when he heard the price of the tongs because the tongs were too high for him. Because he's a poor boy, he doesn't have that much of money to buy the tongs, isn't it? Yes, the price was too high for him. Third one, my tongs are like a tiger among toys. It means dash. After buying tongs, Hamid thought that it was like a tiger for him, isn't it? He kept it on his shoulder and he wanted to show it to entire his friends. Yes, isn't it? So that means he felt like Hamid valued his toy. Hamid valued his toy. That's valuable feel panna. So that is the answer. Fourth one, Hamid's granny scolded him for buying iron tongs. Then she understood that Hamid had bought it dash. So we have already seen that Hamid did not drink anything, did not eat anything, but he wanted to buy only one thing for his grandma. What was the thing? The tongs, isn't it? It shows that his unconditional love towards his grandma. So the answer would be out of his love and concern. அவனுடைய அந்த love, அவங்க grandma மேல இருக்கிற அந்த love. So that would be the answer. So now answer the following questions. First question, what did granny say about Hamid's parent? Actually Hamid's parents were dead, but grandma lied to his grandson, isn't it? What was the lie? Granny said that his father had gone to earn money and his mother had gone to Allah to get lovely gifts for him. So it was a great lie for Hamid, isn't it? Yes, actually his parents were dead. So second question, write about Hamid in one or two sentences. We have to write two sentences about Hamid. So we can easily say Hamid is a poor boy and he has selflessness. அவனுக்கு அந்த மற்றவங்களை ஏமாற்றணும் அந்த மாதிரி selfishness கிடையாது. Third one, how did Hamid's friends enjoy the games in the fair? So we saw in the lesson that Hamid's friends were playing in the merry-go-round. அந்த ராட்டினத்தில் விளையாடினாங்கல்ல. So we have seen this already in the lesson, isn't it? Yes. So they were riding on horses and camels. They were mounted on horses and camels. And the wooden camels மேலேயும் அந்த horses மேலேயும் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க? They were playing in the merry-go-round. Fourth one, what did Hamid buy at the fair and for whom? We can easily say that Hamid bought a pair of tongs just for his grandma. Just for his grandma. So this could be the answer. Fifth one, why did Granny scold Hamid? Granny scolded Hamid as he has not eaten or drank since morning. Yes, we haven't seen anything in the lesson that he has eaten anything, that he has drunken anything, isn't it? He has eaten nothing. But he bought only one thing for his grandma. What was the thing? The tongs. So this could be the answer. So now we have to rearrange the jumbled sentences and write them in the correct order. So they have given some sentences. We have to rearrange them correctly, isn't it? Yes. So which one would be first? Let me read from the beginning. But Hamid bought a pair of tongs. Granny Amina felt proud of his grandson. Hamid's friends bought different toys for his choice. Hamid proudly compared his toys with a brave tiger. Hamid had less money than his friends. Granny Amina was worried as he had to go to the Eidgah alone. So first would be Granny Amina was worried as he had to go to the Eidgah alone. So this is the first one. And the second one, Hamid had less money than his friends, isn't it? Yeah, this could be the second one. Hamid's friends bought different toys of their choice. So this could be the third one. And then fourth one, Hamid bought a pair of tongs. So this is the fourth one. Fifth one, Hamid proudly compared his tongs with a brave tiger. So sixth one is Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. So this is the order. Let's see the answers. Yes, first one, Granny Amina was worried as he had go to the Eidgah alone. Second one, Hamid had less money than his friends. Third one, Hamid's friends bought different toys of their choice. Fourth one, but Hamid bought a pair of tongs. Fifth one, Hamid proudly compared his tongs with a brave tiger. And the last one is Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. So this is the correct order. So we have chosen the correct answers. We have rearranged them, isn't it? Yes, children. So I have written one by one: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth and sixth. So this is the order. I hope everyone understood about it. So the book bag exercises are over. So you have to read each and every line and understand the concept clearly. So thank you, children.